All right, y'all. So I was waiting for a delivery from Amazon, and most of my packages came in the mail today. So I'm gonna open them up on camera and let y'all see what I got. Let's see, package number 1. I think this might be the outdoor rug right in front of my door. My apartment don't have carpet in it, so I'm trying to get something to wipe my feet so we can attract less dirt up in this motherfucker. Cause girl, when I tell you I literally run a broom over the floor more than one time of that. Cause the dirt is real. This is how it came, rolled up. Let's see. This is an outside rug, but it's so weird seeing it rolled up like this. Let's hope. Let's hope that it does what it's supposed to do. It has a little rough outdoor texture, but I don't know. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. And of course it has a little funny saying on it. It says, this is probably backwards in the camera. It says, welcome-ish, depending on who you are and how long you stay. So, that's the rug. It's a little smaller than I hoped for the amount that I paid for it, but that's what happens when you order shit online. Sometimes you don't know what you get. I should have just went to Target. But, it's gonna serve its purpose. And if it don't, then I'll just end up buying it. What can you do? As much as I love Amazon, I'm the first to admit sometimes Amazon gets you. It'll have the picture and have you thinking something other than what's really going on. But anyway, this didn't come from Amazon. This actually came in my Walmart delivery that came today. It's some storage bowls for my kitchen because I'm trying to get out of the habit of putting pots in the refrigerator because that's annoying. And then everything going cold and stuck on the pot, and it's just too much. Seems too much. So let's see what's in this one. Oh, okay, these are cute. I got this is actually a plant hanger. A crochet plant hanger to put out on the balcony. I have a plant out there. I actually brought some oh, this is a two-piece set. I actually brought some a plant pot too because my mom has a pot that needs to be replanted. So I brought this too because it has hangers outside on the patio. So you sit the pot inside and hang it from the ceiling. So these are gonna be cute when it's done. I'll show you. It don't really look like much now, but it's cute. It's gonna be cute. The base is kind of wide. It should fit the pot that I got. So it's 2 of those come in the oh no, it's 3 of them come in the package, right?
Oh wow.
They're just skinny. 3 of them come in the package, as well as some hooks for you to, if you need to screw some in the wall. But it's like I said, it's already some out there on the balcony. So yeah, I don't think I'll be needing the hooks. So I'll just reuse them for something else, I'm sure. And I have, yeah, that's my mom in the back being crazy. She gets excited when I buy stuff too, sure. Not to mention it's something that she's been asking for, so
Yay.
That's exciting. But this I got from my room. Now actually, this is actually a plant hanger as well, but the difference is it comes with this little platform thing that kind of sits on the inside. And I have some hooks in my ceiling, and I want to put this up there and use it as a little, like a side table, just to put my phone and my drink on instead of having to put a side table. I just thought this would be a cute idea. It goes a little something. It goes a little something like this. But since I have the hook, I'm gonna hang it from the ceiling and use it as a little mini side table. It gives that hippie boho feel. Yeah, and that's right up my alley. So yeah, that's mad cute. It's as cute as I hoped, honestly. What else is in this bag? Oh, they sent little hooks that go with it. But again, I already have the hooks in the ceiling, which is when I moved in here. So that's what really gave me the idea to hang it. Right here, they kind of have a picture of what it's supposed to look like. Which one is it? This one right here. So yeah, that's gonna be cute. Multi-purpose. Sometimes things don't need to be used for what the hell they made for. You make up your own shit. That's how I like to do it. Yes. So okay, that's that. And the last thing that came was this big baby right here. And this is, I'm not gonna open this right now. I'll probably put this together tomorrow. I'm probably gonna do it on camera for you guys. But this is a 9-cube storage shelf that I brought from my mom's room. I'm gonna use it as a TV stand / storage. This apartment is, I don't know, all the Florida apartments I've seen are quite small. So this one is kind of compact, cute, but compact. So I'm trying to find ways to like make more space, utilize the space in a smart way. So this is going to serve as a TV stand / storage. So I'm going to get some of the little bins to put in it, probably put a couple of picture frames, on some of the shelves, like stagger it, stylize it a little bit, but also use it to store some things because we got a lot of stuff. We're low-key, hoarders in this family. But yeah, I'm trying to get better. I throw out a lot of stuff, and as I set stuff up, I continue to throw stuff out. So yeah, that's that. That's all that came in the mail today. I actually got some other stuff in my Walmart order besides groceries. As you can see over here, I got some laundry detergent, fabric softener, and some paper supplies, tissue and paper towels or whatnot. So yeah, that's what I got in the mail today. We're gonna see what's coming tomorrow because I have another package or two coming. I didn't order a whole bunch of stuff, just a couple of things that I need. I got some groceries, restocked the kitchen. So yeah, I think I'm about to go work out a little bit right now. I think I'm being lazy, but I'm trying to push myself to get it done. So I just wanted to come back to y'all real quick and show y'all this quick little hairstyle I threw together. I retwisted my hair the day before yesterday, and the way my hair texture is set up, my roots sweat out really quick. So I wanted to just snatch it up together so that it'll last longer, and then my hair will be crinkled when I take it out. But this is it. I just threw it together. My little locks getting long too. I'm hyped for no reason, but yeah. No, I didn't do any laid edges because I don't need to. I don't really care about that. But yeah, just a little quick something barrel twist on my natural hair. So yeah.